Hello class, my name is Mustafa and I'm in group with Kendra and Stacy. Today we're going to talk about 1906 San Francisco earthquake. The reason why we chose this earthquake is because it's the strongest of its kind, and it's the strongest earthquake ever felt in California, or at least recorded. Personally, I have experienced a few earthquakes, and every single time when there was an earthquake, I always heard that, oh, this earthquake is strong, but it's just not as strong as the one in 1906. So which kind of piqued our interest, and we wanted to take a dive into it and explore. So let's get started. Just to give you a little bit of the preview of this earthquake, this happened on April 18th, 1906 at 5:12 a.m. So which is super early in the morning. Earthquakes are unpredictable in nature, but just for an earthquake to happen this early in the morning, it just doesn't give you any time to take any preventive measurements. Magnitude on this earthquake was 7.8. So with magnitude, every increment, the intensity grows exponentially. So 7.8 is extremely strong. And this earthquake lasted for about a minute, so which is a long period of time for an earthquake. And it was felt all the way from LA to Oregon. So why did this happen? So it was actually because of the transform plate boundary, which is created between two massive plate boundaries of Pacific plate and the North American plate. So at the point where they meet, it creates San Andreas Fault. And so the transform plate boundaries appear to be like a staircase. It's like a stair-like pattern. And this San Andreas Fault within California is actually just the one segment of that staircase. So because of these two massive plate boundaries involved, they just build a lot of stress on San Andreas Fault. So every time when there's a slippage, it just creates a massive earthquake. The epicenter of this earthquake was only 2 miles west of San Francisco, so super close to the city. Focal depth was 8 to 10 kilometers, so it was a very shallow earthquake. We talked about magnitude, so which is more of the scientific and mathematical measurement. But there's another thing we're going to look at is the Mercalli intensity scale, so which is more of the subjectivity measurement, that how the earthquake felt, how it appeared to be, or how was it shaking, and if there was like a lot of damage caused by it or not. So the way this scale works is that it's read from 1 through 10, with 1 being the weakest and 10 being the strongest. So if it's just 1, that means it wasn't even felt. If it's 2 to 3, that means it was just weak. So that's what it kind of goes. Right when it hits about 6, that means the earthquake is strong, and it goes all the way up to 10 plus. So the 1906 earthquake was actually measured off the chart. It was measured to be 11. So that means extreme plus, and it was felt by everyone. So now I'm going to pass this on to Kendra and Stacy. They're going to look at more into the offset caused by this earthquake and the ramifications and the damage in detail. So I hope you guys have a wonderful semester and enjoy your holidays. Thank you.